If your alcohol inks are collecting dust or you've been scared to start, this video is for you. I've created a totally free 7-day class to help you stop overthinking, start playing, and fall in love with alcohol inks. What's going on, everybody? My name is Tiffany Solorio, and I've been obsessed with alcohol inks for years, but I remember how intimidating they felt in the beginning. That's why I've put together a creative, beginner-friendly class called Alcohol Ink Exploration, 7 Days to Confidence. Here's how it's going to work. You will get 7 guided video lessons and a bonus day. Each day focuses on a fun prompt or a simple technique. You will get 15 days of full access. There's also a downloadable PDF guide and lots of creative encouragement. Whether you're brand new to alcohol inks or just stuck in a rut, this class will help you get unstuck and excited to create again. And if you go through the 7 days and you're thinking, I definitely want more, well, you're in luck because I'm also hosting a live alcohol ink class on May 3rd, where we'll explore even more advanced techniques together. It's just $15 and that's 50% off until class day. You'll get step-by-step instructions, learn some cool new techniques, and of course, ask questions live. So here's what you're gonna do. Sign up for the free 7-day class first. Start building your confidence. If you're loving it, grab a spot for the live class and let's level up your skills together. Links for both are down below, and I cannot wait to see what you create.